Hello, another function is DRVA. So this is absolute position. We can remove. We can check. This is completely same function is same to DRVI, but here is we have only absolute. That one we have relative position now here. Here is just another one. So we have also here S1, S2, number of poles of frequency. This is the speed, this is the position. This one is output poles. This one is output rotation here. And it's just another thing we don't have here. I will download to my PLC. I can go online and we will see again what we have here. We have this function, we have output poles and output direction. We have servo on. First we need pulse number, first one rotation, and here, okay, this speed, pulse number. So this is ramp up and down. We will see after. Okay, I will make on. What is different between two DDRVI? If I on again, nothing happening because this one is absolute position. So already my servo drive is in this position. Need to increase, or if I want to move more, so I need again. So now come to this position. If I come to 0 position, is come back to our 0 position. If I can go minus position, so opposite rotation. Speed. But here you can see I change the frequency, so speed is not changed because when is not function is not done, so this memory is not on, so my speed anything when I change, so is not affecting. I need to finish first this position, move to this position after this change. Now if I come 0, now you can see another speed ahead. I have another speed here. When I change the speed after only when function is done, I will remove, maybe go to some more position. So 0, you can see also direction here. Now I don't have ramp up and down time. I don't have acceleration, deceleration. I just want to give acceleration. Now you can see this memory is on. For this, our ramp down time is 5 seconds was, and ramp up was 1 second here. Okay, if what we have again, pause in more negative position and pause. Okay, and start frequency can change. Okay, keep this is better, and I only make on. If I go to 0 position, now you can see in pause quickly stacking, but acceleration after pause I have acceleration, so you saw 5-second deceleration we have here. Speed. Pause. Zero and increase to maximum speed. But after pause we have acceleration. Deceleration you saw 5-second deceleration we have here. So all things was just for this function. All this one we have pulse number, we have pulse frequency, ramp up time, downtime, and start and stop frequency we have. So we have here absolute position control. We have also pause here. So same to DRVI. Just this was relative position and this was absolute position.